We have here determine the voltage Vx in the circuit using supernodal analysis. Take note that supernodal is an extension of the nodal analysis. And remember that nodal analysis is the best way to solve a circuit if your goal is to find out any voltage across any element. The first step for the solution is to label all the nodes for the given circuit. We can choose this one as A, this one as B, and this one as C. Now by inspection, we have a supernode. Supernode AC. Supernode AC because our circuit has a voltage source between nodes A and C. The next step after labeling the nodes is to apply KCL. So by KCL, we start at the supernode A and B, A and C. Again, Kirchhoff's current law KCL, I in equals I out. So I in is on reference, or I in are the branch currents entering the nodes A and C. So first inspect the node A. So we have 1 ampere as I in, and we can assign this one as I1, this one as I2, and this is I3. So I in for node A is only 1 ampere, 1. For node C, so that it's back node C, I in is 8 ampere, so we add plus 8. Now I out, with reference to node A, we have 1 I out, I1 equals I1. For IC, we have I3. So 1 plus 8, 1 plus 8, I1 is, what is I1? I1 is the potential difference of A and B, so VA minus VB over 8. And I3 is VC over 2. This is the reference node. Reference node has a voltage 0, so V equals 0. So again, by KCL at the supernode AC, we have I in equals I out. I in are 1 and 8 current sources, so 1 plus 8 equals I out I1 plus I3. I1 is VA minus VB over 8, and I3 is VC over 2. So we rearrange the equation. Okay, so we have, or we multiply by 8, we can multiply by 8 and write VA minus VB plus 4BC equals 4BC, 8 divided to 4VC equals 9 times 8 is 72. This is our equation 1. By KCL at node B, I in equals I out. For node B, we have 1 I in I1 and 2 I outs. So I1 equals I out is I2 plus 8. I1 again is VA minus VB over VA minus VB over 8 is equal to, what is I2? I2 is VB over 5 and 8 plus 8. Multiply this by 40, 8 times 5, 40. LCD is 40. So we have 4 or 5 VA minus 5 VB equals 8 VB plus 8 times 4, 320, and 5 VA minus 5 minus 8, 13 equals 320. From the supernode, we can write VA minus VC equals negative 2 Vx. But what is Vx? We know Vx by inspection. Vx is VB. Vx equals VB. Therefore, we have VA minus VC equals negative 2 VB, and VA plus 2 VB equals, or VA plus 2 VB minus VC equals 0. Our only goal is to find Vx, and we know that Vx is equal to the node voltage VB, and so by Cramer's rule we can write the system of linear equations as 1, negative 1, 4, 1, negative 1, 4, VA, VB, VC equals 72. Okay, so 1, negative 1, 4, and equation 2, 5 VA, 5, negative 13, 0. 5, negative 13, 0, and 320. Equation 3, 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 1. Equation 3, 1 to negative 1, 1, 0. So again, let us review. Equation 1 is 1, negative 1, 4, and 72. Equation 2, 5, negative 13, 0, 320 is 1, 2. Equation 3 is 1, 2, negative 1, 0. And so we can solve for Vx, which is equal to VB, by Cramer's rule. So the determinant is 1, 5, 1, negative 1, negative 13, 2, 4, 0, negative 1. And the numerator is, replace the second column by 7320, 0, and 0. And then copy the first column and the third column. 4, 0, negative 1. So therefore VB equals, using the calculator, negative 62 over 5 volts.